Personal injury attorney Kyle Newman here to give you my top 10 reasons why your accident lawyer sucks. Personal injury lawyers, well, we know they get a bad rap, from the ridiculous billboards you see to the laughable television advertisements. I think it's fair to say that some of the members of my profession have given us all a bad name, and that just isn't fair to the good guys. So I happen to be a third-generation personal injury attorney. My dad, my grandfather, both are injury lawyers. Basically, I've been around injury lawyers my entire life, and some damn good ones too. But man, oh man, are there some jokesters out there. Just flat out bad lawyers. And I hear about them constantly. So here's a few things to look for as a sign that your lawyer sucks and you should find a new one. Number one is you hired a referral service and not a law firm. Look, when you call one of those 800 numbers from one of those television commercials that don't actually name a law firm, and when you call, you speak to someone who passes you along to some attorney, that is a referral service who uses your info and passes it along to their network of attorneys. And guess what? They don't give a damn about you. So if you can't verify the actual law firm you're calling actually exists, do not bother. Number two, you never met the lawyer. Look, I hear this all the time that people were in an accident and they signed papers with some guy who arrived at the scene or at the hospital and they said that they worked for a law firm and they actually never met the lawyer. This is one of the biggest scams out there, and any law firm that uses these type of people are totally illegitimate, and it's illegal to do this sort of thing, so stay away. Number three is you never hear from your lawyer, and when you do call your lawyer, they're never available. Red flag. Look, there's gonna be times, sure, when there's no activity on your case, or it's in between court conferences, or you're waiting for a trial date, but good lawyers make it a point to keep in touch with their clients and will pick up the phone or at least call you back when you try and get in touch. The bad ones out there avoid their clients altogether. Number four is every few months there's a new lawyer that's handling your case. I hear this a lot from clients who may have come from a big law firm where they're constantly turning over their young associates because their job probably sucks. And when this happens, the client is the one that's hurt, left with a new young lawyer every time they move to get a better job. So bottom line is stay away from these firms if that's the case. Number five is your accident lawyer doesn't work on contingency fee. Look, if you hear that your lawyer wants to charge you for their services or they're billing you for these ridiculous sounding things, stay away. Look, all accident lawyers, we work on contingency fees. You don't pay us anything unless we win your case. If they try to sign you up for some other deal, run for the hills. It's something shady. Number six is your lawyer is constantly making excuses. If every time you speak to the lawyer, they have a new excuse for why something wasn't done or why your case is delayed, that is no good and you should stay away. Number seven is nobody respects this lawyer. Look, this isn't a popularity contest, but when you're going to court, you want a well-respected lawyer. If your client isn't well endorsed by his colleagues or others in the community, steer clear of that lawyer. Number eight is the lawyer has no enthusiasm for your case. Look, winning over a jury takes thought, it takes passion. If your lawyer seems wishy-washy and doesn't believe in you, just imagine how they're going to look in front of a jury. Look, you are the lawyer's customer, and if you can't inspire them and they can't inspire you to believe in what they're selling, find someone who can. Number nine is dangerous, and if you catch your lawyer in blatant lies or doing shady things, that is a red flag and can not only get the lawyer in trouble, but can also ruin your case and leave you stranded with nothing. Last but not least is number 10. If your personal injury attorney shows no empathy or compassion, just get the hell out of there. When it comes to serious accidents, you deserve an attorney who is going to care about what you're going through. If they don't take you seriously, then just imagine what the judge, the defense lawyers, the insurance company, and the jury is going to do. Bottom line is, if they don't have compassion for you, how can you ever trust them to convince anyone that you're entitled to significant financial compensation for your injuries? At the end of the day, the most important thing to do when choosing a personal injury lawyer is to just use your common sense. You're going to get a sense of someone right after you meet them, And if something's off or you feel uncomfortable in really any way, don't feel pressured to sign anything. You can always go back and speak to them again. And just take your time before you settle on the right lawyer. It might just be the best decision you ever make. Look, this is Kyle Newman. I hope this info has helped. I will catch you next time. Before you get out of here, make sure to subscribe to our channel. All right, folks, take care.
All right, gentlemen, I'll take your case, but I'm going to have to ask for a $1,000 retainer.
$1,000? But your ad says no money down.
Oh, they got this all screwed up.
So you don't work on a contingency basis?
No, money down. Oops, shouldn't have this Bar Association logo here either.